Hello everyone, I am Mr. Cornell, your new AI assistant for today. I will show you the behind-the-scenes process of creating the AI film, The Odyssey Paradox. The first step is to create my story, which I write in my notepad. Since my English is not very good, I use Gemini to correct my grammar. Initially, Gemini changes all the grammar and uses very complicated and advanced English words that differ from my style, so I decided to fix it one by one, which works better for me. After finishing my script, I use Leonardo AI to create consistent characters for my film. Let's go ahead and click Image Generation. The first technique I use is text to image. Just type the facial features and characteristics of your character, then click Generate. Here are the results. These are the 5 characters I made using text to image. After creating my 5 main characters, I use these as references to create consistent characters by clicking Character Reference, uploading the image, typing the prompt, and finally clicking Generate. These are the results. Another technique I use is called Content Reference, which involves copying the structure and output of an image. Here is one of my examples. I also use image to video. After generating an image, click image to motion to generate it as a video. For motion strength, I always set it to 4 or lower, which gives me good results. If you download this video, the resolution will be 1024x576, so I use CapCut's free video upscaler to double the resolution quality. After generating images in Leonardo AI, I use Photoshop's generative fill to fix details like removing moles, adjusting backgrounds, modifying people, and more. After fixing the images, I create their voices using ElevenLabs. The first step is to find a voice suitable for the character's appearance and style. Click Sample to hear the voice, and if you like it, click Add to Voice Lab, where you can rename it if you want. After finding a voice for your character, go to Speech and write any text you want. For the settings, I use either the default or maximum numbers, but feel free to explore them. These are some of the samples with different settings.
What a bunch of losers. What a bunch of losers. What a bunch of losers.
Additionally, 100% of the sound effects I use are from ElevenLabs. Here are some examples. After generating all the voices, it's time to animate them in Runway. This is a simple process. Go to Lip Sync Video, upload your audio and image files, and then click Generate.
What a bunch of losers.
Next, let's use Gen 2 to animate our images. Upload your image and then you can write a prompt if you want. For motion, I will use Motion Brush. For brush 1, I brush the person, for brush 2, the water, and for brush 3, the sky. Then set the motion direction. For brush 1, I set the horizontal to 1, same for brush 2. Since this is water, I will set the ambient to 7. For brush 3, I set the horizontal to -1. Feel free to explore the motion settings. Here's the result. You can see the settings on the right side. I also use Gen 3, where you only need to input a prompt. This is a new feature of Runway, so there aren't many settings to change. Just input your prompt and there's a guide to help you. Here is an example video generated with Gen 3. Finally, after generating the videos and audio, I mix everything in Premiere Pro. I add music, sound effects, subtitles, and more. I use After Effects only to add a camera shake effect to all the lip sync videos I made in Runway. That's all. Thank you for watching and have a great day.